And now for our Aspire Auto Accessories Motorhead of the Week. It's Bristol, Tennessee's Chrissy Sykes, and she got her first Jeep only in 2017, but she was hooked immediately. Right away, she started the Jeep Babes Worldwide. And that group was meant to be a safe place for women, a place where the ladies can make friends and share their love of Jeeping. And after just a few short years, the group has almost 13,000 members. And in that short time, chapters in each state and around the world have raised over $100,000 for different charities. Chrissy Sykes is a motorhead who's making a difference. Her Jeep Babes Worldwide is helping ladies find a safe haven and helping lots of charities at the same time. And that is why she is our Aspire Auto Accessories Motorhead of the Week. And if you want to be Motorhead of the Week, or you know someone else who should be, hop onto our website, motorheadgarage.tv. Click the link there and tell us your story. And if you have a product you want to see featured here on the show, go to that same website, motorheadgarage.tv. We'll get you here in our studio. We're out of time. We'll see you next time here on Motorhead Garage, presented by dragonfiretools.com. Drive safely.